Washy, washy, woman, drying the clothes. Hey, washy woman. Hey, washy woman.
It's too dirty. Wash, washing machine. Wash, washing machine. Wash, washing machine. Wash, washing machine. Wash, washing machine. Okay, Masa? It's too wet. Please hang it. Hang the hat. Okay, pin it. Very good. Okay. Oh, let's make some wind. It's now dry. Iron the hat. Iron the hat. Iron the hat. Iron the hat. Very good. Masa, is it clean? Yes, it's clean.
Nice and clean. Wash, washing machine. Wash your clothes till they're clean. Hang them out on a sunny day. Iron them and put them away. Pick your socks up off the floor. Don't stop them.
What did you do today? What is it?
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Okay. What did you put in the washing machine? Pants? Sweater? What is it? Shorts? Athlete? Yeah. Dress? Shoes? Oh my! Did you put shoes? Okay. Sweater, yes. And what is it? T-shirt. And what is it? Skirt. Good job. Have a nice laundry day. Thank you. Machine. Wash. Okay, take them and hang them up. Okay, Zeynoş'um, come here and iron your clothes. Iron your clothes. Iron your clothes. Okay, hang them up. It's a windy day. Let's make some wind. Are they clean? Zeynep, is it clean? Clean. Yeah, it's clean. Thank you. Okay. Güneş, please come here. Güneş. Yeah. Güneş. Green hat. Where is green hat? This one. And yellow scarf are too dirty. Yeah. Please wash them. Yeah, very good. Washing machine. Wash. Okay, Şevval, please iron them. Iron the scarf. Okay, please hang them up. Güneş. Hang them up. Okay, Güneş. Iron. Is it clean, Şevval? Oh, it smells fresh. It's clean, I think. Yeah, it's clean. İlyas, what are you wearing, İlyas? What are you wearing, İlyas? İlyas is wearing